Hello, it's Damien Photoshop, and let's go ahead and with the first image opened, select the crop tool and let's crop a close area around this person. Double click to crop it. Now go to select subject and just wait until Photoshop automatically selects the subject. So this is the selection. Let's hit Ctrl+J to copy the selection to a new layer. Now select the Move tool. And in this other document, I've opened the sky photo. Let's get back to the first document, and with the Move tool selected, let's just click and drag the layer to this other document. Now hit Ctrl+T to transform. And let's do this again, just Ctrl+T, and let's make this layer larger. Double click, commit the transformation, right click on the layer and convert it to a smart object. Let's double click on the layer name and rename it to Superhero and hit enter. Now let's set a new levels adjustment layer. Double click, and from the preset menu, let's choose increase contrast 2. Now let's select the superhero layer again and go to filter, blur, motion blur. Let's increase the distance to around 130, and let's change the angle to match the match the angle of the legs. So something around 45 pixels, 45 degrees, sorry. So set the angle to 45 degrees and hit OK. Now you can see here below the superhero appeared the smart filters, and it has a layer mask. So let's select the smart filter layer mask and select the brush tool and pick black for the foreground color. So set it to black, and with the right square bracket key, increase the size of the brush, set the hardness to somewhere around 20, and just click right here, the top right corner, to reveal, to hide some parts of the effect. Let's set the brush opacity to around 65%. And let's click once again somewhere in the middle of the superhero. But first, Rosie. Let's set the foreground color to white and click somewhere with the white color, somewhere in the middle, the superhero like this. So this is the effect. Let's finally select the top levels layer and let's create a new levels layer. Drag the white slider to the left like this to make the image lighter. Now create a new layer and go to image, apply image and hit OK. Now this creates a merged copy of all the other layers. Now go to filter, other and choose high pass. And now let's set the radius to something where we can see more details. So let's see what looks better. I think something around 15. And hit OK. Let's change the blending mode of the layer to hard light. And let's reduce the opacity of the layer to somewhere around 60%. So this is it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to Damien Photoshop channel for more cool videos like this. Bye bye.